The Centers for Learning Excellence are happy to introduce our free online workshops for students and staff, which can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Simply visit the CLE webpage at saltexascollege.edu, where you'll find several of our services, including tutoring, academic coaching, workshops, and supplemental instruction. Click on our workshops. Then, click on our Student Lingo workshops, where you will be able to sign in with your STC username and password. Student Lingo has various workshops, all designed to help you gain useful skills for school and life. In the Student Lingo library, you'll find information on topics including learning to learn, personal management, and academic and career exploration. If you are taking online courses, you may find beneficial workshops under the Online Learning tab, where you will be able to see a variety of workshops such as 10 tips for success in your online course, effectively communicating online courses, staying motivated and disciplined, and taking tests online, strategies for success. When you click on a workshop, you'll be able to find instructions and begin at any time you'd like. At its conclusion, you will find additional resources where you can download an action plan to help you use your new skills that will help you meet your goals. You will additionally receive a certificate of completion that you can save as a PDF. At the CLE, your success is our priority, so take advantage of our free workshops wherever you are, whenever you want.